Thank you, President. 5,000 years ago, fantastic water systems were developed around the Nile in order to deal with flooding. The floods of Eastern Europe are not an honor for Europe of 2024. Thessaly in Greece was flooded last year, and because of increased precipitation by 50% compared to the previous decade, while the water reserves has gone down by 50%. The Resilience Fund should first increase our resilience against fires, floods. In Greece, the funds have gone elsewhere. This fund should be approximately 6 billion euro and focus on specific issues. We have also proposed that taxation in rural areas that have suffered the weather disasters should be lowered, and we expect for our proposal to be accepted.
Mr. Benstatter, please.